Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fried rice. First, gather your ingredients. The secret to perfect fried rice is using day-old, chilled rice. This prevents it from becoming mushy. Ensure all your vegetables and proteins are prepped and chopped into small, uniform pieces. Heat your wok or large pan over high heat until it's smoking slightly, then add a small amount of oil. Next, it's time to cook. If you're adding protein like chicken or shrimp, cook it first until it's nearly done, then remove it from the pan. Now, add your aromatics, such as 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of ginger, stir-frying for about 30 seconds. Then, toss in your vegetables, perhaps 1 cup of mixed peas and carrots, and cook until they are crisp tender. Now, let's bring it all together. Push the cooked ingredients to one side of the wok. Pour in 1 beaten egg and quickly scramble it until just set. Add your 2 to 3 cups of day-old rice, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Drizzle in 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and any other desired seasonings, ensuring even distribution. For the grand finale, stir-fry all the ingredients together vigorously for 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring everything is thoroughly heated and well combined. This final toss helps meld all the wonderful flavors. Garnish your freshly made fried rice with a sprinkle of chopped green onions or fresh cilantro for a burst of color and extra freshness. Serve your perfect fried rice immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.